Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about the polynomials. What is a polynomial? Polynomial is an algebraic expression having variable x with no negative integer as the exponent. No negative integer as the exponent is nothing but the polynomial. For example, 2x square plus 3x plus 2. It is a polynomial. Why? Because here each and every variable, that means x, here only one variable exists. Here x having here power 2, exponent is 2. That means positive integer it is. Here no power means 1 is there. So 1 is also positive integer. So it is a polynomial. For example, it is a polynomial. Okay, na? Now 2x square plus 3 by x plus 1. 3 by x. By x is nothing but as per the exponent formulas we discussed in earlier classes. A power minus n is nothing but 1 by a power n. This is in that form only, na? So it can be written as in other way 2x square plus 3x power minus 1 plus 1. In this one term contains negative integer as the exponent. So it is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. Why? It contains negative integer as the exponent. Negative integer as the exponent. So it is not a polynomial. Now polynomials based on the exponent we can divide into linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial and biquadratic polynomial. If exponent is 1, 2x plus 3. Your highest exponent is what? 1. So it is a linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. Next, if power is 2, what it called? So 2x square plus 3. Or you may write any other digits also. Now your highest exponent is 2. So it is quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. If it is power 3, x cube plus 9. Okay, now? Now it is cubic polynomial. Highest exponent is 3. Highest exponent is here 3. That's why it is a cubic. Now x power 4 plus 2, x cube plus 3, x square plus 2. Here highest exponent is how much here? 4. So it is biquadratic. Biquadratic polynomial. That means power 4. In the same way, remaining all will be called the polynomials only. Okay, now these are the types of polynomials. These are the types of polynomials. In other way also, we can divide the polynomials into different forms. If any polynomial contains single term, only single term, exponent whatever it is, 2x square or 3x square or 5x cube like that, or 5y cube, 3z, 5z like that. Only it contains one term. Only one term contains, that is nothing but monomial. Already we learned in previous classes. Yes, now. Next, if it is polynomial contains two terms or algebraic expression contains two terms, 2x square plus 5x or 5, it is binomial. Binomial. Next, 3x square plus 4x plus 3, trinomial. Trinomial. Next will be quadrinomial, like that we can call, but afterwards in generally we are called multinomial. Multinomial means no need to mention the particular number. Multinomial. Next is multinomial, or we can say generally polynomials, or polynomials only. This is also a polynomial. This is also polynomial. Monomial also polynomial. Binomial also polynomial. Trinomial also polynomial. Is it or not? Is it clear now? Now in this class we are going to discuss first do this problem in page number 52. In page number 52. First 2x cube given. 2x cube. It is a polynomial or not? It is a polynomial. Yes, it is a polynomial. Yes, it is a polynomial. Next, in that do this only. Next question will be 1 by x minus 1. 1 by x minus 1. No, it's not a polynomial. No, it's not a polynomial. If it is not a polynomial, you have to write the reason in the heading mentioned. Yes or no? 1 by x means 1 by x minus 1 can be written as x power minus 1 minus 1. It contains
negative exponent.
It contains what? Negative exponent. Negative exponent. This is the reason why it is not a polynomial. It contains negative exponent. That's why it is not a polynomial. In the same manner, next 4z square plus 1 by 7. 4z square plus 1 by 7 variable doesn't contains negative integer. 1 by 7 means it is a constant number. 7 is a constant. So it is polynomial. Next one, m square minus root 2m plus 2. It is also a polynomial. Your variable doesn't contain negative exponent. All are positives only. 1 is 2. M square means your exponent is 2. Root 2m means exponent is 1 here. Plus 2, that means exponent is 0, that is also called a constant polynomial. Next, p square plus 1. P square plus 1 means it is a polynomial or not? P minus 2. Okay, p power minus 2. P power minus 2, is it a polynomial? No, why? It contains
Negative
exponent. It contains negative exponent. Next, in 9th class already we also discussed about the degree of the polynomial. What is the degree of the polynomial? Highest exponent in given polynomial is nothing but the degree of the polynomial. If in one variable, we can count only one. If it is contains more than one variable, either 2 or 3 variables like this, 2x square y square plus 3xyz plus 4x square y cube, like this having one variable, one polynomial is given like this. Here, what is the degree here? Which is the highest exponent? It totally before plus symbol, connective. Plus and minus are the called connectives here. Now, here x square, both 2 variables contains exponent as 2. Here 3 variables contains, but here 3 variables contains exponents 1, 1, 1. Next here 2 and 3. Just we have to add in each term all exponents add together. All exponents of the given variables in each term. In each term add and simplify. 2 plus 2. How much? 4. Next here no exponent is 1 is there. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. Next here 2 plus 3, that is 5. So degree is how much here? Degree of this polynomial is how much now? 5. Which is highest? Either 4, 3 or 5. 5 is greater. 5 is the greatest one. So degree of the polynomial is 5. Degree of the polynomial is 5. Next, here try this asking now. Write 3 different quadratic, cubic and 2 linear polynomials with a different number of terms. What do you ask? 3 different quadratic polynomials. Quadratic. Next, cubic and linear also. 2 linear also. Linear means exponent is 1. In place of these variables and digits, just change the numbers and variables, either exponent, whatever it is. Not only x, y, z, a, b, c, in alphabets, you may take all. Okay now, out of 26 letters, you may use any. In generally, we say x only. In generally, most probably we are taking x as the variables. X as the variables. Write in your own. Okay now, two only now. Two linears, two quadratic, two cubic. With the different number of terms. Different number of terms. Here x cube plus 9 mentioned. After x cube, as per the order, x square term also you must. But if you write or not, that's why you ask number of terms, different number of terms. So here you have to write. It is also a linear polynomial. Monomial also a 3z. It is also a linear polynomial. That's why here degree is how much? 1. So it is linear polynomial. Linear polynomials here 1 term. Here how many terms? 2 terms. That's why I asked you with different terms. Different number of terms you ask. Next. General form of the polynomial is given. General form of the polynomial in terms of x. Here a is, that means a0, a1, a2, they all are constants. That all are coefficients are constants. Here a0 x power n plus a1 x power n minus 1 plus a2 x power n minus 2. Okay now. Up to an. In the last term, there is no x term. That means here x power is 0. Any term exponent is 0, that value becomes 1. That value becomes 1. That's why if you want to write x power 0, otherwise no need to write. Okay, this is the general form of the polynomial. Here a0, a1, a2 all are coefficients and constant terms. Coefficients and constant terms. Next, try this given. Write the general form of quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial in variable x. General form of quadratic and cubic. Quadratic general form is what now? In generally, ax square plus bx plus c. Ax square plus bx plus c. This is the quadratic. General form of the quadratic. Cubic, right, like that only. Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. That is the cubic. It is general form of the quadratic. It is cubic. It is the cubic. Okay, na? Next, second one. Write general polynomial q of z in degree n with coefficients. In 53 page number, that means just like this one only. Q of z, polynomial name, instead of here p, he mentioned z. Q of z. Okay. Now what he asked? B0, Bn. B0 to Bn are the coefficients here. Okay. Now what to write in place of? Where is the dust? Is there? Now b0 x power, z power n plus b1 z power n minus 1, okay na, plus b2 z power n minus 2 and so on up to bn z power 0 or bn. Okay na. This is the way to write in terms of qz. Constants are b0 to bn. Okay na. Next, do this problem. Find the value of the polynomial. Find the value of the polynomials. So, what is the value of the polynomial? What is the value of the polynomial? Value of the polynomial is nothing but in place of given variable. In place of given variable, we have to substitute any value, any digit. Suppose given polynomial is p of x is x cube plus 2x square plus 3. There is no x term. X term power is 0. Okay na? Now you may write in place of value of the polynomial at x is equals to 2. I want the polynomial value at x is equals to 2. What is the value when x is 2? So now we have to substitute in place of x, we have to write 2. In place of x, we have to write 2. That is 2 cube plus 2 into 2 square plus 3. 2 cube value means it multiplied 3 times. Itself it multiplied 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. How much 2 into 2 into 2? 8. So that is 8 plus 2 into 2 square. That means 2 into 2. Not these 2. 2 will multiply itself 2 times. Now 2 2s are 4. That is plus 3. Now next 8 plus 2 4s are 8 plus 3. 8 plus 8?
16.
16 plus 3?
19.
19. So value of this polynomial at x is 2 is how much? 19. This is called the value of the polynomial. We have one more. 0 of the polynomial. 0 of polynomial. What is the difference between value of the polynomial and 0 of the polynomial? Here, when we substitute 2, we are getting 19. We are getting 19. What is the 0 of the polynomial? When we are substituting any certain value, if it gives the polynomial value becomes 0. Value of the polynomial become 0, then the x value, what value is substituted? That is nothing but the 0 of the polynomial. Suppose given polynomial is p of x is x square minus 3x plus 2. Minus 3x plus 2. Is it clear? Now right. We don't know what is the 0 of the, we have to find. So, we have to check substituting one by one. P of 1. P of 1. 1 square. X square means 1 square only now. Plus, sorry, minus 3 into 1 plus 2. 1 square value is 1 only. Minus 3 into 1, minus 3 plus 2. Now plus digits we have to add together and negative term we have to subtract. 1 plus 2. 3. 3 minus 3 how much? 0. So 1 is the 0 of this polynomial. In generally we have exponent is 2. So we are getting 2 zeros. We are getting 2 zeros. If you want another 0 also, then go through it. Already 1 is 0 getting. So P of minus 1 substitute. P of minus 1. Minus 1 whole square. Minus 3 into minus 1 plus 2. Minus 1 square is plus 1 only. Minus 1 square means minus 1 into minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1. Minus into minus plus. 1 into 1, 1 only. So plus 1. Here minus into minus plus 3 on the 3 plus 2. 1 plus 3 plus 2. All are positive numbers only. All are positive numbers. So 1 plus 3 plus 2 is 6. So it is not a 0. It's not a 0. In the same way, P of 2 find out. P of 2. Now 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 2. 2 square is how much? 4. Minus 3 into 2, 6 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is 6 minus 6. That is 0. Now we are getting 2 zeros, na? So it is called the 0 of the polynomial. When we are substituting a certain value, if it gives 0, that is called the 0 of the polynomial or root of the polynomial. Root of the polynomial or 0 of the polynomial. In the same way here, do this problem is given. P of x is equals to x square minus 5x minus 6. Find the values are here. Values are given. For what value we have to find? P of 1, P of 2, P of 3, P of 0, P of minus 1, P of minus 2, P of minus 3. In place of P of 1 means in place of x we have to write 1. P of 2 means in place of x, we should substitute 2. Okay, na? You have to solve like this one only. P of 2 means 2 substituted, na? If 1 asking means 1. 3 asking means 3. Okay, na? Go through it. Next, do this one more. We have to check these are zeros of the polynomial or not. When we substitute the value of the x in place of x, we substitute any value, any digit in place of x. If it gives 0, it is a 0. Otherwise, it's not a 0. Up to 54, do these problems. Write and come. Tomorrow we will discuss the exercise.